The tools that changed my business. I make money online using just 4 tools. Here's what they are. I don't have a team. I don't work full-time, but I run a fully digital business from home using just a few simple tools. A video app for filming and caption. 2, an AI clip tool that repurposes all my lives for me. Of course, my digital blueprint that offers 4 income streams. A tools page where people can grab what I use and I earn from it too. The cool part, some of these tools actually pay me monthly just for sharing them. So now, even when somebody's not ready to join my business, they still explore a tool use and I earn a little extra, and so can you. If you've been trying to make money online and still feel stuck, it might not be you. It might just be you're using the wrong tools or trying to do too much. With AI, you don't have to anymore. Check out the exact tools I use every day. Link is in my bio, or comment help and I'll personally email you back. A walkthrough that you can easily follow. Scroll less, own more, start today. They built systems, you built stress. Let's change that together. And the tools are very reasonable. Some are free, and you can build passive income streams from them. Check it out.